Welcome to ERi-TV English news broadcast, dear viewers. I'm your reporter Bersaba Taghla, and these are the major headlines for today. Messages of congratulations continue. Diaspora nationals celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Turkey's Erdogan celebrates presidential election runoff win. And dozens killed in clashes with troops in the Indian state of Manipur. On your local news, the leaders of Kuwait, Algeria and Zambia sent messages of congratulations in connection with the 32nd Independence Day anniversary. President Emir of Kuwait, Sheikh Nawaf Al-Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Sabah, Crown Prince Sheikh Mashal Al-Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Sabah, and Prime Minister Ahmed Nawaf Al-Ahmed Al-Sabah, President Abdel Majid Tebboune of the Republic of Algeria, President Hakainde Hichilema of the Republic of Zambia wished good health to President Isaias Afwerki and peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people. The leaders also expressed their country's readiness to develop and strengthen bilateral relations for the benefit of their countries and Eritrea. President Abdel Majid Tebboune of the Republic of Algeria expressed his country's readiness to conduct regular consultation with Eritrea on regional issues of interest to the two countries, as well as to ensure peace, stability and development in Africa. Nationals in Kuwait, Germany and Cote d'Ivoire celebrated the 32nd Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal under the theme Heroic Feet Anchored on Cohesive Ranks. The celebratory event, organized in Kuwait on 26 May, in which government officials and members of the diplomatic corps, as well as a number of nationals and friends of Eritrea, took part, Mr. Hamed Yahya Ali charged d'affaires at the Eritrean embassy in Kuwait, explaining the heavy sacrifice the Eritrean people paid in realizing their independence and safeguarding the national sovereignty, said that the Independence Day celebrations have significant contribution in transferring the national values to the young generation. The event was highlighted by a cultural troupe from Eritrea. Nationals in the German cities of Düsseldorf, Tübingen, Stuttgart, Frankfurt and its environs also enthusiastically celebrated the 32nd Independence Day anniversary under the theme Heroic Feet Anchored on Cohesive Ranks, featuring cultural and artistic performances. Nationals in Cote d'Ivoire also celebrated the 32nd Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal under the theme Heroic Feet Anchored on Cohesive Ranks. On your last local news, the Gashbarka Regional Assembly held its 20th regular meeting on 28 May in Barantu. At the meeting, Mr. Usman Mohammed Ali, chairman of the Assembly, said that the Assembly will earnestly work in cooperation with administrations at all levels to improve the livelihoods of the public, especially in encouraging farmers to prepare their lands for cultivation before the coming of the rainfall season. The participants conducted extensive discussion on the activity reports presented by the heads of the line ministries and adopted various recommendations, including for improvement of livestock vaccination, controlled deforestation activities, especially on indigenous trees, sustainable surveillance on the prevalence of desert locust, early distribution of improved crop seeds, among others. Speaking at the meeting, Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Hurui, governor of the region, said that water and soil conservation, development of livestock and byproducts, and controlling deforestation activities are among the priority tasks at regional level, and called for integrated effort on the part of the members of the Assembly and government organs. Still to come here on ERi-TV's international reports after the short break. Welcome back. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has won re-election in a tense runoff after he failed to secure more than 50% of votes required for an outright victory in the first round on May 14. This is according to the country's Supreme Election Council and unofficial data from the state-run Anadolu agency. With almost all of the votes counted, Erdogan received 52.14% of votes in the second round on Sunday, beating his challenger Kemal, who won 47.86%, according to the Supreme Election Council. The result is expected to be confirmed in the coming days. The vote seals Erdogan's place in history as he extends his 20-year rule for a further 5 years. He had already outstripped the 15-year presidency of the Republic of Turkey's founder, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. Erdogan appeared outside his residence in Istanbul's Üsküdar, where he sang before thanking an adoring crowd. On your final report, dozens of rebel fighters have been killed in clashes with security forces in India's remote northern east state of Manipur. The state has been on edge since the explosion of inter-ethnic violence on May 3 between tribal groups and the ethnic majority Meitei people over plans to extend economic quotas to the Meitei. Dozens were killed in the unrest and thousands were displaced. On Sunday, the chief minister told reporters that at least 40 fighters had been killed in a crackdown by security forces. Two police also have been killed in the past 2 days of unrest, he added. The far-flung state of northeast India have long been a tinderbox of tensions between different ethnic groups. New Delhi rushed thousands of paramilitary and army troops to the state of 3.2 million people. It imposed a curfew after fighting erupted between the majority Meitei, who are mostly Hindus and live in and around the state capital, Imphal, and the mainly Christian Kuki tribe from the surrounding hills. According to further reports, mobile internet in the area has also been cut off for weeks. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Messages of congratulations continue. Passport and National celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Turkey's Erdogan celebrates presidential election runoff win. And dozens killed in clashes with troops in the Indian state of Manipur. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.